So in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a logo for free. Okay, so guys, before I begin, if you watch the video till the end, I have a free bonus for you. And if you're new here, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and I show you how to build an online brand and make passive income. Okay, so how to make a logo for free? It's really easy. Go to this website called logomakerhoot.com. the link is in the description. Just refresh once you're over there. So what you have to do is, for me it's logo maker, okay, or logo maker, okay, logo learners. I'm gonna type over here. If you want to add a symbol, delete the symbol, just delete it. Add a symbol. I always choose the popular one, so I'll be like this one. For me this one looks really good. If you want to change the color, you can change it. For me this one looks really good. You want to change the color, you can change it. And then that's it, guys. And if you want to change the text, you could change it from here. No, and then that's it, guys. You're gonna make it small, just you can choose any of the text. And I think so this one looks really good. And voila, guys, so y'all are done. And then just save and download. It's gonna ask you for your email ID. So now it's gonna ask your email ID. Just type in your email ID. I'm not gonna type it. Save and continue, and guys, they would send you the link, and we are done. So this is how it's gonna look. And also, guys, I think so thank you for watching, and this is how you make a free logo. And as a bonus, I told you in the beginning, so guys, I've created a free crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. It's a step-by-step instructions, and also I can give you an idea how you can make an passive income. Even for this thing, if you go on Fiverr, people are making tons of money just by making logo, and you could create a free logo in just under 5 minutes, and you can charge them $40, $50. I will design the minimalist logo, and see, imagine it's starting from, so for me it's dirhams, but usually it's $20, $30, $50. So it's really easy to make money like this from a free logo maker. So the link is in the description, and for the free course as well. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.